In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade iCloud storage using your Apple ID balance. This quick and straightforward guide will have you increasing your storage in no time, ensuring that your photos, documents, and other vital files have plenty of room. So let's dive right in to get those extra gigabytes added to your iCloud. First, we need to navigate to iCloud. To do this, unlock your iPhone or iPad and head to the Settings app. Once inside the app, you'll notice your name displayed right at the top of the Settings menu. Go ahead and tap your name. This is your Apple ID banner, which contains all the essential information about your account. Under your account, you'll see a range of options, but today we're focusing on iCloud. Select iCloud to open up the iCloud settings. Once you're in the iCloud menu, the next step is to tap Manage Storage, or on some devices it may simply say iCloud Storage. This will present you with a clear summary of how much storage you're currently using and what it's being used for, as well as the option to upgrade. Now look for the Buy More Storage or Change Storage Plan option and give that a tap. This section allows you access to various storage plans offered by Apple, each tailored to different needs and budgets. You should spend a bit of time considering which plan best suits your requirements. Typically, Apple offers plans starting at 50 gig and going up to 2 so there's a plan for almost everyone, whether you just need a little extra space or the maximum available. After you've decided on the plan that best meets your needs, tap the relevant option to select it. You'll then be prompted to confirm your choice. This brings us to the payment section, which is our final step. You'll see different ways to complete your purchase, but since we're focusing on using your Apple ID balance, make sure you select that option. This utilizes any funds you have in your account, whether from gift cards or previous top-ups, to pay for the upgrade. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your iCloud storage using your Apple ID balance. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your storage needs, helping ensure that your important data is always secure and accessible. This process is not only quick but smart, especially if you already have a balance you can use. Remember to keep an eye on your storage usage as time goes on, and feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need more space. Once again, thank you for joining me today, and happy upgrading.